Hey everyone, I have a super rare mouthpiece in my hands, which is a wooden buffet mouthpiece with a bottom logo. And this particular mouthpiece is about 100 years old. And despite of its age, it's in reasonably good shape. I mean, there are no cracks on the wood. There's some minor wear on the top of the beak because of the teeth. But all in all, it's in reasonably good shape. So let's play test it right away with the Wonder and Blue Box 3. The facing is fairly closed, so I'm not sure about the reed strength, but let's start with this one. Uh, the back pressure is surprisingly great. I mean, it's too big. Let's put in a 2.5. Resistance level is better, but the sound is very shrill. It's harsh. It's just too bright in general, and I can feel that the facing is imbalanced. And this is no surprise because wooden mouthpieces of this age usually have a very warped table, and the facing also gets asymmetrical because of the changing in the moisture level. So it puts a stress on the wood, understandably. So let's measure this mouthpiece and see what can be done. So let's take a closer look on this mouthpiece. As you can see, the wood is in quite good shape after the oiling, so it's not dry and the color is also deeper. At first glance, the facing looks to be fine. So I'll just put on the glass gauge and let's see how it goes. So the first measurement is I'll just change lights. Yeah. So as you can see, the facing is a bit lower on the left side of the mouthpiece. So it reads like 35 and 34 on the right. Okay, this tendency gets worse as we go up. So let's turn it this way. So you can see that this is not horizontal. This feeler gauge. So on the left side, it reads 24, and it's less than 20 on the other side. And I think, yeah, it's the same. The same tendency can be observed starting from the uh, lower mid part. Yeah, it's asymmetrical all the way up. So you can see that this facing has to be fixed. Basically, I will adjust the right rail to match the left and check how it plays and just work from there. Let's check the tip opening also. The facing is ready, and now it features medium or medium short facing of 34 that translates to 70 millimeters. The mid part of the curve is 22 plus, which is relatively tight, but not really. The upper mid part is 12 minus, and let's see the upper portion measures 5, and let's check with the 40. It's a solid 2, and finally the tip opening is 102. So that's a moderate facing, and I also cleaned up the rails and the upper baffle. It features a super nice rollover baffle. I hope you can see it on the video to some extent. So we have more material in the upper baffle that creates some brilliance, but it's very nicely balanced by the double concave part on the lower side of the baffle. So let's see how it plays. I can't wait to playtest this mouthpiece finally, and I will use the same Wonder and Blue Box 3 reed I was using for the initial playtest. So the sound now has warmth, not just brilliance, and it has a very fluid legato, and it has a very nice, soft, and intimate sound in lower dynamics.